Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Hyundai Santa Fe headlight bulb. This simple task can significantly improve your nighttime visibility and overall driving safety. You'll be surprised how straightforward it is, requiring just a few basic tools and taking approximately 10 minutes of your time. Let's get started and make sure your path is brightly lit. Before we begin, safety is paramount. First, make sure your Hyundai Santa Fe is turned off and the parking brake is engaged. For added safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery using a 10mm wrench. You'll need a replacement bulb, commonly an H7 or H11 type, and remember to wear clean gloves. This prevents oils from your skin from touching the new bulb, which can shorten its lifespan. Now let's get to the bulb itself. Open your hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll find a round cover. Twist this cover counterclockwise to remove it. Next, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the old bulb. Depending on your model, you might unclip or twist the old bulb to release it from its housing. Gently remove it, then insert your new bulb, making sure it's seated firmly and correctly without touching the glass. With the new bulb in place, reconnect the electrical connector. Then, put the bulb cover back on, twisting it clockwise until it's securely fastened. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal to your vehicle's battery. Now, hop into your Santa Fe, turn on your headlights, and confirm that your new bulb is shining brightly. You've successfully replaced your headlight bulb and are ready for safer driving.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.